Dear students, today we start chapter number 4 from Mechanics and Properties of Matter. Name of the chapter is Properties of Matter. In this chapter, we concentrate on different properties of matter. Here question arises, as we use that word matter, then what is the meaning of matter and what are the properties of matter? And we know that matter means the thing which occupies the space. There are different phases of matter such as solid, liquid and that of gases, and when we consider any matter, then there are different properties such as what is the color, what is the length, volume, density, odor, etc. And in this chapter we consider some different properties of matter step by step. Then here, as we consider the particular word matter, matter has one important property which is known as surface tension. And here surface tension is the tendency of fluid surfaces to shrink. That means here surfaces has tendency to shrink into the minimum surface area. Again, as we consider the word surface tension is the tension of the surface film of a liquid caused by the attraction of the particles in the surface layer by the bulk of the liquid, which tends to minimize surface area. And here, in another word, when we consider the word surface tension, it is measured in CGS system dynes per centimeter and in MK system Newton per meter. This slide indicates some surface tensions of different liquid, hydrogen, helium, water, ethanol and sodium chloride in milli nanometer as shown in that particular table. And here surface tension, again when we consider that surface tension, then this surface tension can be defined in another way by considering van der Waals forces. Now every liquid, every matter has intermolecular forces which are known as van der Waals forces. And here, as we consider the particular word surface tension, the ratio of surface force or force of contraction F to the length L is known as surface tension. Surface tension is indicated as a capital T, and that is given by F upon L, where F is the force per unit length and L is the length in which force act. T is the surface tension. And as I already explained that surface tension has the unit Newton per meter in MK system and dynes per centimeter in CGS system. Now, to find out dimension of surface tension, as we consider the formula for surface tension F upon L, and we know that using Newton's second law, F is equal to mass into acceleration. Therefore, surface tension T is equal to m into a divided by L. By using the dimensions of mass acceleration and that of length L. Here mass m raised to 1. Acceleration L into t raised to minus 2 by using the definition of acceleration, and divided by L, that means L raised to minus 1. Solving this particular terms, L raised to 1, L raised to minus 1 get cancelled, and we have m into t raised to minus 2 are the dimensions of surface tension. Then some examples which are related to the word surface tension that are given in this particular slide. Some insects can walking on a water, floating up a needle on the surface of water, rainproof tent material where surface tension of water will bridge the force in the tent material, and clinical test for jaundice, surface tension disinfectants that are used are also the example or related examples of surface tension. While cleaning clothes by soaps, detergent powder which lowers the surface tension of the water, and washing with the cold water and washing with the hot water are the example of surface tension. Here when we use that hot water, surface tension gets reduced, and round bubbles where the surface tension of water provides the wall tension for the formation of water bubbles. This phenomena is also responsible for the shape of the liquid droplets. These are the different examples that are related to the surface tension. Then one another term, important term, contact angle. Here when an interface exists between liquid and a solid, angle between the surface of liquid and the outline of the contact surface is described as the angle of contact or contact angle theta. This diagram shows the particular concept of angle of contact. Here related to the angle of contact, the weighting is related, and here when angle of contact is 0, complete weighting. When angle of contact is about 45 degree, then good weighting, and here above the 95 or 95 degree, bad weighting. That means weighting concept also related to the concept of angle of contact, and here the particular term angle of contact is of the two types. One is known as obtuse angle and another one is known as an acute angle. What is the difference between these two? That can be shown by using these diagrams for one water and for one mercury as shown in the diagram. And here obtuse angle, when the measurement greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, called as obtuse angle. And when the angle, that measurement between 90 degree and 0 degree, meaning smaller than right angle triangle, right angle, then that angle is called as acute angle. That means here obtuse angle having the value greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, while an acute angle having the values between 0 and 90 degree, that means less than 90 degree. Water has the angle less than 90 degree, that is acute angle, while mercury has the angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, that is obtuse angle as shown in this particular diagram. Then the surface factors affecting surface tension. There are two factors that are affecting the values of surface tension. One is impurities and another one is temperature. Here, when we add salt in the liquid, then the particular surface tension decreases, but when we add soluble substances like soap, detergent powder, the surface tension decreases, and as surface tension decreases, that spreads easily on the large area, that is useful for the cleaning purpose, and therefore we use that detergent powder or soap for the cleaning of cloths. Again, here when we increase the temperature, surface tension decreases, and here the temperature at which surface tension of liquid becomes zero, called as critical temperature of the liquid. Then